Hey YouTubers and RV fans, we are thrilled to be out here today in this beautiful weather. I'm Mikey B with Beckley's RVs. New product with us, the Ozark. The suspense is killing us. First impressions, let's get inside and check it out. All right, on the exterior, what really grabbed my eye initially on this Ozark was 26-foot floor plan with 2 slides. But when I came around to check it out, what I noticed was a lot of compartment doors. I love storage. If you haven't seen my videos, I love storage. But when I opened this one up, man, RVers, this is a huge open cavity for some large stuff. Not only is it wide to put in your fold-up tables or your chairs, but the fact that you have such a large capacity amongst all the other little pockets of storage, you're gonna be able to take all kinds of that cozy, comfy RV gear to make your weekends or your week-long trip just that much more comfortable. All right, RVers, first impressions on the awning side of the Ozark 2630 RBX. A lot to talk about. I love everything that I'm seeing on this patio side. And we gotta start out with this enormous awning to give you that large footprint to relax and keep away from the sun or protect yourself from that rain when you're out camping. But more importantly, what I've experienced in my RV days is I hate opening up the door and going right into the bedroom. This one, the fact that it has 2 doors, I have that flexibility to do either or. I've got a door at the living space, bedroom space, and that way we can just be able to get in and out that much better, especially if we have guests. But moving on, when we're relaxing outside underneath this huge awning, I've got my speakers. I can throw on some tunes. And by the way, side note, speakers inside as well. But I'm gonna be able to jam out during the day or maybe throw something light on at night and just chill and relax while I'm sitting out here. And I'm sitting out here enjoying my cold, tasty beverage from the refrigerator and eating whatever I'm cooking up on this nice exterior griddle. And guys and gals, if you haven't used a griddle yet, this is money well spent. Inside the Ozark 2630 RBX, first impressions is awesome. I love everything they've been doing with this camper and this floor plan. I have to start here with this bathroom. My gosh. You ever had it where you're fighting over the sink at night, brushing teeth, washing face, whatever? No worries. We've got double bowl sink. That way we can share at the same time, or if you got guests over that just needed access to a sink, I've got storage on both sides so we can divvy up his and hers. But beyond that, linen storage is huge. This shower is enormous. Wingspan, hello. You guys know if you've been out camping or been in your own RVs, this big shower is not common. 2630 RBX Ozark kitchen is dynamite. First impressions, I love everything that's happening right here. If you guys have been out camping or have your own RV, you know that booth is somewhat not usable. It's kind of just there, right? I love the fact that they went with the bar stool setup. Not only do I have great prep area, but I have still the 2 bar stools that I can enjoy my morning coffee, yet that space at the booth, it lends other abilities to do a deeper slide, throw a bigger refrigerator, etc. But moving on into the kitchen, backsplash. Hello, how many campers have a backsplash that barely covers the sink area? You know you're splashing, you're cooking everywhere, stuff's going everywhere. Easy cleanup. And last but not least, all my camping experiences, I think I've used my oven once. You know what I mean, right? They put the microwave in the space of where the oven, the non-usable oven, and given me more storage space. I love storage. So inside the bedroom area of the 2630 RBX Ozark, first impressions is awesome. There's so much to talk about. 26-foot floor plan with 2 slides. Are you kidding me? That second slide allows them to put the bed on the slide, giving you extra space for like a dresser with drawers, counter space to throw your iPad, your cell phone, charge up, even these nice little cubby hole containers. But ultimately, that bed slide gives you that walk around bed. How many RV floor plans have you seen 26 foot where the bed's jammed up in the corner and somebody's getting over top of somebody at night when you have to go to the bathroom? But last but not least, what I love is this wardrobe. Walk-in closet that you have extra space to throw all your goodies. But if you guys know what I mean when I say how many wardrobes have the bar this way, that closet hanger ain't fitting on this. They put them on both sides to give you not only this space or this elbow space to manage your room and your wardrobe, but more importantly, that hanger is going to sit on that pole and not have to worry about kicking out somewhere and losing your garments all over the floor. All right, YouTubers, hope you liked our first impressions of the Ozark 2630 RBX by Forest River. I'm Cozy Comfy here. Hope you're cozy comfy at home. So give us some love, give us a like, comment below on anything you want some information on, and don't forget, smash that subscribe button. We'll see you next time.
For more information on this unit, visit our website, links in the description, or shoot us a call and visit us today. We'd love to be your RV dealer. Welcome to the family.